All right, lesson 2-2, modeling adding integers with algebra tiles. So I just like to use pluses and minuses, because it's easier to write down. But when I am solving -2 plus -4, what I do is, all right, on this side under the -2, I just write two negatives. Plus, and then on this side I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm looking at it and I notice that these are the same. So additive inverses are when you add the opposite. Okay, we're not adding opposites here, so nothing cancels out because a positive and a negative would cancel each other out. Here they're all the same. So when I add these, I count up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 negatives. So my final answer for this problem would be -6. Then I move on to the next one. All right, so same thing again. I have 1, 2, 3 negatives plus, and then I put 2 positives here. Now, you might not, I guess, want to put the plus sign just because it might confuse you, but it's up to you. Now, this is what I look at. Look at opposites, okay? Do I have any opposites here? I sure do. I have a negative and a positive here, so they cancel each other out. And then I have another negative and a positive here, so they cancel each other out. They're zeros. Okay, they make 0. So this makes 0, this makes 0. So all I have left now is that one negative. So my final answer is -1. And yes, you'll be allowed to use a calculator, but I really want you to understand these rules. All right, for the next one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4 positives. And I know you're getting it now because you're going to see that opposites, 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 they all cancel each other out. 0, 0, 0, 0. These are all zeros. So I have nothing. My final answer is 0. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positives, 1, 2, 3 negatives. And what do I notice here? I have opposites, 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 which makes 0, 0. I guess I need that would be 0, 0, 0, leaving me with +2 as my final answer. All right, modeling on a number line. So what we do is we always start at 0 on the number line. And there are number lines in your drawers if you need to use a marker for it. But we always start at 0 and make this little mark like that, like a little 1 above the 0. And I got to go -2. So -2 means go to the left. So I'm going to go -2 to the left. I'm going to put an arrow and draw another line down like that. Now, I have to add. Add means go to the right, and I want to add -4. But it's a negative. So now I want to go, I'm adding, but I'm adding more negatives. So from this position, I now want to go 4 more this way. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I end up right here. And if I follow it down, my answer is -6. So I -2 and then -4, which would give me -6 as my answer. All right, so -3. We always start at 0, so above the 0 I put a line, and I move to the left because it's -3. So there I am. Then I want to add +2. Now that it's positive, I'm going to come back 2, which is going to put me 1, 2 right there. And if I follow it down, I get -1 as my answer. -4 plus 4. So again, we start at 0 with a line. I'm going to go -4. Then I want to add +4, which is going to take me right back to my starting position. So my answer is 0. And then I have start at 0, go to the right 5. So I'm there. And then I got to come back 3, which puts me there. If I follow it down, I have +2 as my final answer. By the end of the first quarter of a football game, Gary had gained 42 yards. That's important. Gained 42 yards. Lost 9 yards, so lost 9 yards. Gary lost an additional 18 yards and gained 58 yards in the second quarter. Write an equation to represent his total yardage for the first half. Okay, equation. And we want his total yardage. So first we're going to let y be Gary's total yardage. Remember, we need to define that variable. So his total yardage y is going to equal, he gained 42, so that's a positive 42. He lost, which means minus 9. Gary lost an additional 18, but gained 58. Write an equation to represent his total yardage for the first half of the game. So then we can figure this out. So y equals 42 minus 9 would be 33 minus 18 plus 58. So the first thing we do is we add or subtract the 42 minus the 9. Then we're going to subtract the 33 minus 18, which gives us y equals 15 plus 58. And then we're going to add these two together, and I get y equals 73 yards for his final answer.